Hello and welcome to another Rudrige tutorial video. Today we're at a Berkeley Homes project near Bracknell and I'm joined as usual by Paul Duke, the General Manager of Rudrige. Paul, what are we looking at today?
Today, Tony, we're going to be looking at the installation of a CPM 525 diameter concrete pipe. It's a flexible jointed concrete pipe with an integral seal. They're manufactured out of concrete. They have a socket joint and a spigot joint.
You mentioned they're flexibly jointed, Paul. What does that mean?
They have an integral seal, which means the seal is fitted during the manufacturing process. This allows for 2-degree movement once the ground conditions have settled. The seal has been thoroughly cleaned and lubricated, ready for the installation.
And I can see numbers and letters down there, Paul. What do they stand for?
This is for health and safety and also to aid the identification of the pipe. It's 525, and that is the internal diameter of the pipe. And then we have the weight of the pipe, which is 0.92 of a tonne.
I'm guessing, Paul, that this strap is used to lift the pipes up.
Yeah, what we see here is they've pre-slung the pipe, ready for lifting. Now, using a D-shackle, which connects to the machine, and a sling, because we're using a shallow trench here today, this is quite acceptable. If they were in a deep trench, they would use a mechanical aid. We're now at the spigot end of the pipe. This has been pre-lubricated. Let's show you the installation. Geordie has now laid 20mm shingle in the bottom of the trench. This is to a depth of 120mm. This needs to be level.
What's the red dot on the wooden stick there, Paul?
That is the laser which has been set up in the pipe run. All of CPM's pipes are marked with the European standard. Here we are with the spigot end. We're lubricating the joint with a special thick lubricant which is supplied by CPM and is designed for concrete pipe installation.
Can you use any lubricant, Paul, or does it have to be a specific one?
Not with concrete pipes, it needs to be a particularly thick lubricant, otherwise it can pull the seal out of the joint. The machine has now dropped the bucket and is ready for connection to the D-shackle. Then they will be able to lift the pipe into position. The pipe is now in position and is going to be fitted into the seal. It is now pushed home. We've positioned the target and we need to adjust the pipe to get to the middle of the target. The pipe is now in position and can be finally pushed home. Geordie is now backfilling the trench with some more 20mm shingle. While the installation is taking place, we have a couple of health and safety points that we need to make people aware of on this particular site. They're operating underneath power cables, and as you can see, there's these visual markers that are set at 4 metres. This is determined by the local electricity board. They're also known as goalposts.
Big old goals, Paul. I think even I could score a goal in one of them.
I think you might be a little old for that now, Tony.
Probably right, Paul.
Tony, I've brought you to another part of the site to show you a unijunction. This is a 2.5 metre piece of pipe with a 150mm hole cut out. This is designed to receive plastic or clay using adapters, and that is for a gully connection. Let me show you one that was pre-installed earlier on. The uni-junction is designed to fit a 150mm super sleeve pipe. They've positioned a clay bend in there and they've placed a 150mm stopper over the top. This is to protect it and to stop any debris getting down into the pipe run. Once this is removed, this can be connected to a gully further into the road. That will receive stormwater, and the stormwater will run down the channel into the pipe and go into a pond. The concrete pipe we've installed is designed to take either foul or stormwater. Today, on this pipe run, it's taking storm. Now all that's left is for the guys to backfill the trench and to make good. Then the installation is complete.
Thanks, Paul. Thanks to CPM Pipes, thanks to Geordie and all the staff on the project. And for more information on all groundwork and civil engineering products, please visit the Rudrige website on www.rudrige.co.uk.